Hello, welcome to the video of my wife's de chauffeur. It's got 36,000 miles on the clock, all documented, full service history, all the original receipts and purchase receipt from new, including all the documentation of a restoration by TCV City, one of the leading restorers, galvanised chassis, etc, etc. As you can see from the video, it's in very good order. There's a couple of weak areas on the body, the most significant of which is this bubbling here. It's quite common on the tails, but easily fixed. Inside it comes with all the original accessories, an unused spare wheel, and it's all in very good order, as you can see. The only unoriginal is the seat covers. Underneath them is the original seat covers, which the front seats are very good, but the back seat, where the window is, has been eroded a bit by sun damage, but these covers protect the originality. It's got a USB socket for charging phones, etc. In general, it's in very good order. All the usual areas are all very good. Spare tyres are all near new. You can see the wheels are very good. Hopefully you'll be able to see underneath, all very good order. Usual weak areas are all very good on this car. Mats are all very good. And there has been some settled water there with the roof leaked, but it's now got a new roof. That's galvanised aluminium, I think, or anyway, it's rust free, so all very good order. And that's it. Just quickly show you the engine. That's all in very good order, as you expect from a low mileage, fully serviced engine. Like I say, it's 36,000 on the clock. The vehicle's for sale. We're asking 8,900 for sensible offers. Thank you.